Holly Mustard is a body confidence and fashion influencer who has become a powerful voice in the global plus-size fashion movement. Known as one of the top plus-size creators, Holly uses fashion as a tool for confidence, self-expression, and empowerment. Her content connects strongly with audience across the United States who are looking for real, relatable style inspiration and reflects everyday life, not unrealistic standards. Holly's fashion journey is built around inclusivity. She proves that great style is not defined by size, age, or trends, but by how confident you feel wearing it. From casual looks to elevate fashion moments, her outfits are designed to inspire confidence in real bodies. What truly sets Holly Mustard effort is her focus on body confidence. She consistently promotes self acceptance and encourages people to challenge outdated beauty rules. Her message resonates deeply in today's culture where authenticity and representation matter more than ever. Thanks for watching this video.